Merry Christmas, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful Christmas day here in Northern Virginia. It's in the 50s, so I'm gonna take the opportunity to take this Fireball Stella that we rebuilt out for a test ride. If you guys didn't watch any of the build series, we tore it down a good amount and redid a lot of things on it. The biggest thing was the engine. We tore it down, put new seals, new gaskets in, and inspected everything. We also saw that the gear stack was not installed correctly, so we corrected that. But this thing's got a 177 Penasco kit on it, Mazzy crank, and also a SIP super strong clutch. And that's about it for the upgrades. I did already take it out for a little ride to get the oil line primed up, and so I could put regular gas in it. So it's got a full tank. I got my temp gauge hooked up to the cylinder head. You can see there, so I'm going to keep an eye on the temperatures while I'm riding. It had a 128 main jet in it, which I think is way too big. Previous owner was probably tuning for a air leak, so I corrected it. The smallest one I had was a 105, so we'll see what happens. I'm gonna try to keep the temperatures around 350 to 400, and hopefully it doesn't blow up. So yeah, guys, if you're ready, let's go for it. Alright, I still haven't gotten a microphone set up for my helmet, so I will once again be doing voiceovers throughout the video. Alright, so this is actually the first time I've taken the bike over 30 miles an hour. The first ride I did with it was to prime the oil lines, and then after that I filled it up with regular gas. So this is technically the first real shakedown run. Alright, at this point I hear something fall off the bike, and I wasn't really sure what it was, so you can see me looking around here. And now I'm actually pulling over. Well, there it is. The taillight lens fell off, so yeah, I guess it's back to the shop. Well, the idle was a little high every time I stopped, so here I am adjusting it a little bit. Well, guys, took her out for a shakedown run, and yeah, taillight lens fell out. So I don't know why, because the holes are all intact and the 2 screws are still in. So I'm guessing the heads of these screws are too small. So I'll get some washers and I'll fix it real quick and we'll go back out. Okay, found myself some little washers. Put them in the taillight lens, and I guess it's pretty good. So I'm gonna polish out these scratches, but if not, I'll just replace the lens. But yeah, it's just one of those things. All right, let's try this again, but this time with some GoPro telematics. Alright, I'm sure you've noticed that the speedometer does not work. I'm actually waiting for a new cable still, but we can do without it. Alright, here I am at the usual test spot. As you can see, there's a police station across the street. So yeah, let's open her up and see what she can do. I didn't realize the camera angle wasn't great until I got home, so I apologize for that. I'll try to do a better job recording the ride next time. Okay, as you can see, I keep peeking down on the floor at the temperature gauge. I'm just making sure that the temperatures look okay. I didn't see go past 350 degrees, so that's good. I find this bike to have an extremely long fourth gear. I didn't really get a long enough stretch to actually ride it out. But I'm sure if I did, it would probably go past 60 miles an hour. But so far, I'm pretty happy with it. It hasn't blown up, so that's good. Alright, as you can see, when I shift to fourth gear, it takes forever to pick up speed. Seems to be really happy in third gear. So if I decide to open the case back up again, I will opt for a shorter fourth gear. Well guys, there you have it. The Fireball Stella. Completed and tested. I know most of you guys won't go and rebuild one of these things and go full send on it, but I'm confident when I do. Thanks to instruments like this. As I mentioned before, I wanted to keep the temperatures around 350 to 400. I think the highest it ever went was 345 and kind of hung around the 320 area, which is perfectly safe. As I said, the previous owner had a 128 main jet in this thing, and it ran like pure crap the first time I took it out. I brought it back down to 105, and I believe I can go down maybe one or two more, but I'll leave it the way it is because I'm really happy with it and it's safe. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this entire build series. I hope you've all enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and you guys have yourself a Merry Christmas and also a Happy New Year.